Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. In this video, we'll show you how to translate the Turn Off the Lights open source browser extension using Guideline.com. So, if you're passionate about language and want to contribute to a fantastic project, stay tuned. Before we dive into the process, let's quickly talk about what Turn Off the Lights browser extension is all about. It's a powerful tool that enhances your online video watching experience by dimming the background and bringing focus to the video you're watching. It's open source, meaning anyone can contribute to its development, and that's where you come in. To get started with the translation process, head over to Guideline.com, the platform that makes translating projects like Turn Off the Lights a breeze. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, signing up is simple and free. Once you're logged in, click on Projects, and search for Turn Off the Lights. Select the project from the list, and you will see all the supported languages. If, for example, you choose Czech, you will find all the files that need translation. The direct link can be found below the YouTube video in the description box. Wow, there are quite a few files here. But don't worry, you don't have to do them all at once. Start with the ones you want to see the translation for first. If you want to translate the browser extension, begin with the file named Browser Extension. Guideline's user-friendly interface allows you to translate phrases and sentences easily. You can see the source text on the left and the empty translation box on the right. The red circle indicates that it needs translation, and when we view all the translations, the translated strings are shown in a green circle. The translations verified by a translation manager are marked with a green checkmark. To add your translation, simply type it in and click Save. It's that simple. Below are suggestions that can help you translate the current string, utilizing the memory of previously translated content. Translating can be fun, but it's essential to maintain consistency throughout the project. Here are some quick tips to ensure your translations are accurate and in line with the project's tone and style. Familiarize yourself with the extension. Understand how it works and its features to better convey its purpose in different languages. Be mindful of context. Some phrases might have multiple meanings, so make sure you capture the right context. Collaborate with others. If you're unsure about a translation, don't hesitate to discuss it with the community or project maintainers. Remember, every contribution, no matter how big or small, makes a difference. By translating Turn Off the Lights, you're helping millions of users worldwide enjoy a better browsing experience in their native languages. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to Guideline.com, sign up, and start translating Turn Off the Lights extension today. Let's make the internet a more inclusive and accessible space for everyone. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell, so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy translating. See you all in the next video. Stay curious and keep exploring.